All right, this is day 2 in Big Bend National Park. Looks like it's going to be another beautiful day. Today we are doing a scenic drive down to Ross Maxwell.
Yes, it's the Ross Maxwell Scenic Drive.
And then we're going down to see the canyon.
Santa Ana or something like that. Santa Elena.
St. Helena, I think, Canyon. So come along. Should be a good day. All right, we're at the first stop of the day. It's a Mule Ear Overlook.
Mule Ears.
Yes, 2 of them. It's just beautiful out here from volcanoes.
This was the Castellone Visitor Center, and in 2019 it caught fire. The fire started in Mexico and jumped over and completely ruined it all. So they have temporary setups, but they're hoping to rebuild. It took 13 days to get the fire completely contained. Ended up burning almost 950 acres, so that's pretty bad. Exhibit building.
Okay.
I thought it was the bathroom. I went all the way over there and it's exhibit.
The Albino House is the oldest adobe structure still standing in Big Bend National Park. It's like 125 years old.
So what you're looking at over there, that whole canyon wall is Mexico. Way off in the distance over there, you can see there's a little town of Santa Elena, and that is Mexico also. It's a little village in Mexico. Okay, we're on the Santa Elena River Trail. It runs along the Rio Grande. It's a canyon, and the Rio Grande actually cut the canyon. The canyon walls are 1,500 feet high, and it is 19 miles long. So we're gonna go do this. that big rock that fell. Probably right there off the side. What was this called? We thought it was bamboo. I can't remember what it was called either, but it wasn't bamboo. Yeah, it was some kind of cane, you're right. It wasn't sugar cane though, but river cane maybe? Or I think it was river cane. This is wild. We're gonna walk right under that big rock. Wow, how cool. This is neat. What are you doing? Hey, honey. Wait a minute, stand there for a minute. Okay. You coming back? Coming back from Mexico? All right, we made it down to the river. This is the Santa Elena Canyon Trail.
Yep.
And that is the Rio Grande River behind us.
Yep. So we walked over and touched the wall.
Yep, we crossed into Mexico. That wall right over there. Okay, sorry about that. But it is so beautiful down here, isn't it?
Oh, yeah. It's only about 1.6 miles round trip.
Yeah, because I just checked mine and it said 0.86 to here, so.
But we've been doing a little ins and outs.
Yeah.
So, it's definitely worth it's just this state, our national park is so vast. You got the desert, and then now we're down in the river and the canyons.
And there's trees everywhere. It's just weird.
Yeah, it looks
and the
so
drive in was incredible.
Yeah, that was
I
really
mean,
beautiful.
so incredible. It was like hazy mountains to dry desert, and then
just rock formations,
and then trees, and then grass. I mean, well, not grass, but just green trees. It's
right
just
there by the river.
yeah. It's really an incredible drive.
Yeah.
And if you take it, watch for cows, because there was a cow right on the edge of the road in the trees. So
Yeah, we didn't.
yeah,
know there was
and there's
cows
horses running wild too.
Yeah,
so
we did see a horse too. We
Yep.
haven't seen any other wildlife besides a few birds.
yeah, so but yeah, it's definitely worth it. Absolutely. If you come to Big Bend and this is the only thing you do, I mean, this is worth it. And it feels good down here. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's like a big wind tunnel through this canyon.
And echoey. Good. It's a good hike for kids too. And I mean, you got a few switchbacks
At the beginning,
but
then it kind of gradually descends. And then
yeah. So it's
not
a
too
good
bad.
hike.
I think Old Trails says it's only like 220-foot elevation game. It's not a big one.
So yep. Now we're gonna start hiking back. Lunch today consists of fajita chicken, crackers, chips, grapes, and oranges, and Douglas. And we have, well, you can't see it, but we're on the river. If there's any water in the river right now, but we're at a little picnic shelter here in Big Bend. And now I'm going to give you a little tour of our campsite and the campground here at the Maverick RV Ranch. All right, this is our campsite. We had full hookup. And these sites, the way they have them, every other one, one you pull in, the other one you back in. So that if you're camping with a buddy, some friends, you can face each other. So that was pretty cool. So like we pulled in ours and then they backed in. And they backed in, but then on the other side it's a pull-in, the way they've got the electric and everything set up. So this is our site. Plenty big. I mean, look at all the space we have. Plenty of space for our truck and the camper. We actually could have pulled up even further if we wanted to. But you got a little concrete patio here with the picnic table. Fire pit. See, we could have pulled up even further. Got concrete slab to pull on. And here's our hookups. 30, 50 amp. So yeah, this is our site. I thought it was pretty nice. We've got all this area over here. Not much shade, that's the only thing. But this tree up here, we would go up and sit underneath of it when the sun was out. There was shade under there. So, and our neighbors haven't been here the whole time we've been here, so we didn't have to worry about actually being too close to them. Campground really cleared out today. This whole area through the middle here was all Airstreams. It was a big caravan, and they all pulled out yesterday. So this is actually a fairly large campground. There's lots of sites back there. That area over there is all people that come up every winter. Let's see here. Same group of people come up every winter and stay here, or come down every winter from their snowbirds. There was some from Michigan and different areas. They've all become really good friends. The one guy said they've been doing it for 9 years. So, really nice campground. We really liked it here. Laundry room. 5 washers and 6 dryers. Very nice. Tables, ironing board. Very nice area. Inside the clubhouse, it is gorgeous. Got a kitchen area. Got bathrooms galore. I think there's 2 each. 2 for women, 2 for men. Let me show you here. So there's showers. And bathrooms. A little entertainment room. They also have just 2 regular bathrooms over here. So this is beautiful. Here, turn around.
All right.
Hey, turn around. So we can get the mule ears in the background. Oh, but you're gonna do that? Okay, go ahead.
If it does, then I'll go turn around.
Okay, go ahead.
You're not the only editor in this
That thing.
thing. All right, we are at our first stop of the day. The Mule Ear, what's it called again? Mule
It's
Ears.
just called the mule ears.
Mule Ears.
Okay, start over.
Okay, show it to you. See what you think. Look at that. There they are. Well, nope, that ain't it.
Oh my God.
Can't see. Way out there.
Take your sunglasses off and you can see the screen better.
Oh, that did help.
And you wonder why it takes me so long to edit these videos.